Hello everyone and welcome to Rax Tutorials. Today we are going to understand how we can create projects inside Rax. So this is going to be your first screen when you log in for the first time inside Rax. Now you can create projects by click on this button or this one. I'm just going to click on this one and get started. Today I'm going to do a bit research about microplastics and oceans. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it. Now inside Rex you can create multiple projects. Okay, your research scope could be wide, but you can create projects to differentiate between different angles of your project. Now title is a must, and you can also add the description in order to understand more better what is the project about. So here we go, and that's how the project is created. Now you can see the title is displayed and the description is just right here, so it helps you understand. Now in the next tutorial we are going to understand how we can add literature to your projects. So see you until next time.